The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida until 2:15 p.m. At 1:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Liberty City, or over Miami, moving south at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Miami, Hialeah, Miami Beach, Coral Gables, Key Biscayne, South Miami, Virginia Key, North Miami, Pinecrest, Miami Springs, Miami Shores, North Bay Village, West Miami, El Portal, Gladeview, Port of Miami, University of Miami, Downtown Miami, Coconut Grove, and West Little River. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now, the National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Biscayne Bay, coastal waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 2:45 p.m. At 1:52 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Virginia Key, moving south at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Virginia Key, Key Biscayne, Coral Gables, Miami Beach, and Cape Florida. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.